Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a simple SSR for your projects. You can operate the SSR with the Arduino or with push button. So let's get started. Components used here are MOC3020, BTA12 Traic, connector and some resistors of 100 ohm and 330 ohms. And at last, you can use journal PCB, but I have made my own printed PCB. You can find this circuit below in the description box, so you can make the printed board by your own. The advantage of SSR over mechanical relay: it has a silent operation, fast response, long life than mechanical relays. So in this circuit, at first 2-pin connector is attached, and after that 100 ohm resistor is connected to limit the current. As in MOC 3020, there is a LED inside. Whenever the 5-volt signal is given to the anode and cathode of the MOC 3020, the gate open and complete the circuit for BTA12 Traic gate, and 330 ohm resistor is connected to limit the current for BTA12 gate, and this complete the circuit for the Traic. And at the output of the connector, at the first pin, phase is given and the second one will be the output. So I connected the Arduino with the SSR and uploaded the Blink program in Arduino. If you are having some application like where you need a fast response time, then SSR is a good choice. So this is all for this video. So please like, subscribe and share. See you next time.